Hey, what's up guys? Troll West here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we're gonna be making one of my favorite drinks. This is better than coffee if you need energy, if you're trying to be more creative. I found that celery juice just really gets my body going. It makes me feel really good. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys my little recipe. It's really simple. For me, I started juicing just because I wasn't really feeling like I was getting a lot of nutrients from food in the grocery store. So I started juicing and being vegan and practicing doing that for a little bit. That juicing is just one of those things that stuck with me as like one of those things that gives me the most amount of energy that I can like really just use and feel vibrant, and like I just feel light. Like every time I have a juice, I just feel better, I have a good day. Today, you're gonna need some celery. I like to use organic celery. I like to use organic ingredients as much as possible, especially something that you're juicing. If you don't, it's fine, like whatever. I don't think there's really that big of a difference. I just prefer organic. So I have some celery chopped up. I have some green apples and pears. I like to add the green apple and pears just because celery on its own can kind of just feel like you're drinking like grass. So when you add that green apple, it's gonna add a little bit of flavor. The pear is gonna make it feel like a spa. So can't really talk while I go through the process of juicing because it's gonna be super loud. So I'm just gonna show you guys the end result. These are the ingredients. This is the juicer. Here's how it works. And this is actually like really fun to do. And that is it. Got your juice here. How good does that look? Doesn't that look so healthy and just like, it's gonna give you everything that you need? Woo! Honestly, this is 10 times better than coffee. Like if you are at work and you want something to give you more energy throughout the day, not only is this organic and healthy, but like you're gonna get so many more nutrients and so much more vitality and life out of something like this as opposed to like coffee, which is essentially like bean juice, and like super good. So thank you guys for watching today's video and learning more about my celery juice recipe. This is my go-to juice. I'm telling you, if you're hungover, if you're tired, if you're going to work, you want to be more creative, celery juice is going to help you out in every single way. So thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye guys.